Hello everyone, this is Ruby and welcome back to my channel, Red Explorer Stone. So guys, today we will do one of my playlists with this unboxing video of our very own Oral-B Pro 3 toothbrush. So guys, today or this time it's fast Christmas, so I think it's a good idea to shrink or to give us a gift, because as you can see it's a dual pack, so you can buy it and for two it's like 2 in 1, and it's a dual, it's par. So I bought this in black or in pink, so you can go brush your teeth together with your loved ones. So then guys, we will open it, and it's a limited edition, or not limited edition, it's a gift edition. Yes, for you guys, if you have some gums problem, it's good that you use, instead of normal toothbrush, what's that, electric toothbrush. It's recommended actually many of the dentists. So yes, 360 gum pressure control, protect your gums and enamel. So that's how it looks, and that's it. Okay, and that's double pack. It's double pack. So then guys, we will open it. I have scissors with me so that it's easier to open it up. So, okay, what's good in this toothbrush is that yeah, it's 3D technology, and that's 3D technology, and you have 3 cleaning options, which is or the 3 cleaning modes, which is daily, brightening, and if you have sensitive teeth, you can also use it. And it's double pack, so that is 2 in 1. So that's how it looks like if you open it. And of course, the pink one is for me. It's the pink one. Maybe you see it in the video, it's a little bit of color like white, but it's pink, fuchsia pink. That's how it looks, and we'll get it. And the other one is in black. It's black and pink, so you can have partner toothbrush. That's the partner toothbrush, so you can brush your teeth together with your loved ones. And that's it. That's the black one. Also, it looks the same. It's only the color. And Oral-B from Braun. So Oral-B from Braun. Yes. How it looks. And of course, in order to brush your teeth, you need a brush. It has 3 brushes in the carton. So you have the black one and the 2 white one. Yeah, so that's it. And what's still inside the cartons? Okay, you still have the loading station for you to load your toothbrush, and because it's European, I'm in Europe, so that's why it has a Europe loading cable, this one. So then you put your toothbrush in here, and so that you can load it. Then it will load, and then you will plug it in. Yeah, I like the pink one. I like pink. Pink, yes. And it's in the box. 2 and 1 loading cable, 3 brushes, and the manual pro. Yes, that's the manual, and just a 1 plus 1 year warranty. Then you need to register it for free. It's for free. Oral B 1 year warranty, and lost, find your favorite. So then we will try it. So if you have some gums problem, sometimes if you go brush your teeth and then there comes blood or something, if your gums are very sensitive, so you need to be extra careful if you need to choose a toothbrush, because every gums or everybody have different sizes or different types of gums. So there are toothbrush that you will use just middle or not soft, middle or hard. But most of the dentists recommended most of them recommended the electric toothbrush, because if you have your brush, as you can see, it is only a small one and it will brush actually your teeth, and the gums are it's a little bit safe. Don't go actually to the gums. If you brush your teeth just like that, just a normal toothbrush, then it will comes to your gums, unlike the electric toothbrush. So guys, that is all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to do comments, like and share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do click notification bell all so that you will be notified if I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video, and let's do more unboxing together. Bye.